Okay, what if I told you the biggest secret of the world's wealthiest investors in 2025 isn't some complex stock-picking formula, not a hidden Wall Street trick, but something simpler that most people overlook? Today's new millionaires aren't daredevils chasing hot tips at fancy dinner parties. That's a myth we've been sold. The reality is more accessible and more powerful. It's a game of strategy, not chance. The real secret lies in their mindset and their systems. They know emotion is the enemy of good investing. Fear makes you sell at the bottom. Greed makes you buy at the top. The wealthy aren't smarter, they just follow better rules. Like pilots, they don't fly by feel. They use a checklist, instruments, and a flight plan, and they trust their systems. Wealthy investors do the same with money, a financial flight plan. They use powerful tools and proven strategies to navigate markets, staying focused on the destination, long-term financial freedom. They play to win over decades, not days. Investing has transformed. Three forces define 2025: technology, artificial intelligence, and seamless global markets. We live in an era of instant information, intelligent automation, and global opportunity from your phone. Powerful platforms have leveled the playing field in ways unimaginable a decade ago. Let's dive into the biggest change agent, artificial intelligence. Forget the jargon. Imagine the world's smartest, fastest, most unemotional advisor, working for you 24/7. AI analyzes data at superhuman scale and speed. Predictive analytics, news, social sentiment, company reports, economic indicators, even satellite imagery to forecast moves. You make data-driven decisions, not guesses or emotions. AI monitors your portfolio constantly for risk. It runs thousands of simulations and models what-ifs like rate hikes or geopolitical shocks. If risk spikes, it alerts you or rebalances per your rules. This power isn't just for billionaires. Fintech apps embed AI so anyone can access it. Robo-advisors build portfolios, manage risk, and surface opportunities like the pros. No coding, no algorithms to learn, just use the app. AI is the great equalizer, turning investing into a game anyone with a smartphone can play to win. With a vigilant guardian over your wealth, you can finally sleep better at night. Leverage AI, reduce emotion, follow the plan. The first key strategy: hyper-personalization. Forget one-size-fits-all risk profiles. Your portfolio can be as unique as your fingerprint. AI considers your income, expenses, debts, goals, values, timeline, and precise risk comfort. It's investing with intention. Two people, same age, same retirement goal. One is a freelance artist with variable income, the other, a salaried engineer. The artist gets more cash flow smoothing, the engineer emphasizes long-term growth. Personalization builds conviction so you can stay the course. You know why you own each investment. A personalized plan is the one you'll actually follow. Tailored to you means stronger discipline and better outcomes. Second strategy: tokenized assets. Real estate, fine art, private equity, once off limits are opening up. Tokenization shatters the barrier to entry. $100 million building can be divided into digital tokens on a secure blockchain. You can own a piece for around $100. You share rental income and potential profits at sale. Wealthy investors diversify across hotels, fine art, and high-growth startups pre-IPO. When stocks fall, alternatives can hold or rise, stabilizing overall wealth. They tap into new sources of growth not tied to public markets. Now, regulated platforms list tokenized deals, browse real estate, wine, venture, and start with as little as $50 to $100. Build a portfolio that looks more like a billionaire's, broad and resilient. This is a paradigm shift. True democratization of elite asset classes. More ways to win the game of money. Tokenize, diversify, stabilize. Third strategy: invest in global megatrends. Skip short-term noise, focus on decades-long shifts, harness the wave, not a single stock. Green energy, solar, wind, hydrogen, trillions are flowing into this transition. Value accrues to manufacturers, battery innovators, and grid software. AI and robotics are reshaping manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and more. Biotech is moving toward personalized treatments for cancer, Alzheimer's, heart disease. Wealth also demands mastering the inner game. Be a lifelong learner. Pay yourself first. Automate it. Practice emotional discipline. Build a network of advisors, mentors, and peers who elevate your thinking. Learn, automate, stay calm, upgrade your circle. Feeling overwhelmed? The secret is to start, no matter how small. Compounding turns small, consistent steps into big outcomes. Step 1. Open an investment account. It takes minutes. Pick a reputable platform. Start today. Automate contributions. 25, 10, even $5 a week. Use a low-cost diversified index fund or ETF to get your money working. Financial freedom isn't luck or talent, it's a decision. Stop being a bystander, become an active participant. The tools are here, the knowledge is available, the opportunities are unprecedented. Seize this moment, seize your power, seize your financial destiny, your future is now.